Available now at CWT.
This message is being transmitted by the request of civil authorities, the Sacramento State Police, and a company we cannot say for their privacy. Residents of Sacramento County must shelter in place immediately. There were multiple reports from people that drone-like creatures were spotted in the downtown Sacramento area. Anybody that is there must shelter in place to not get spotted by this creature. Anybody that does not listen to this message will risk their lives, as this creature has a history of rapidly killing multiple people in the past. Please stay tuned for more information on this situation.
TV.com. Supernatural is brought to you in part by Kohl's Department Store.
You are listening to Noah.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. All residents in San Francisco and surrounding areas must shelter in place immediately. A drone-like creature was spotted on the Golden Gate Bridge and it started to kill anybody it sees. Anybody that is outside, shelter in place now. If you are near the Golden Gate Bridge, move out of the bridge and use a different bridge if leaving San Francisco. There may be a chance that police may have to close down the bridge for repairs when the drone disappears. Please stay tuned for any new information.
You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio. We have temporarily disabled normal programming as a life-threatening emergency is in effect. The emergency mode is now on and all messages will now play fully. All recently received messages will now be relayed.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. All residents in San Francisco and surrounding areas must shelter in place immediately. A drone-like creature was spotted on the Golden Gate Bridge and it started to kill anybody it sees. Residents in San Francisco and surrounding area. The following message is being transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. This is an update to the ongoing situation. The drone has been identified as Uzi. She is 5 foot tall, with purple hair and purple eyes. She is wearing a black skull shirt and a black beanie/toboggan. She was last seen on the Golden Gate Bridge. If you see her, hide immediately and call 911, as she is dangerous. More information will follow up shortly.
And I was going through a lot of depression and anxiety, and this got really heightened in quarantine because I had more time to just sit with my thoughts, and I didn't have the distractions.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of the Fresno Police Department. A blue alert is being issued for Fresno County for an assault of a police officer. Uzi is around 5 feet tall, with purple hair and purple eyes. She is wearing a black skull shirt, with a black beanie/toboggan. She is assumed dangerous as she was rapidly becoming aggressive as time passes. She is now on California's most wanted person. If you see her, run away as fast as you can before she sees you. Call 911 if possible. Please stay tuned for any new information as it becomes available.
And, throughout my life, I've always kind of dealt with bad feelings with food. If I'm having a bad day, I would eat something that made me feel really good and happy. But in 8th grade, I kind of approached food in a very different way.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of the Fresno Police Department. An all clear is being declared for all of California. Uzi has mysteriously disappeared from Fresno. All normal programming may now continue, however, some places may be closed due to maintenance and damages. It is recommended to not drive until it is safe to do so.
That's the voice of Ganymede, the largest moon of the planet Jupiter. Radio waves recorded by a spacecraft in 1996.
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.